right, so today we're going to be taking a look at one of our F floor plans here. These homes are roughly 638 square feet, and they face inward toward our community courtyard. The first thing you'll note is that we have a nice coat closet right on entry here off to the left. And then just to the right of the entrance here, we have our bathroom space. This is a really large bathroom compared to some of our other floor plans here, and it does feature a unique walk-in shower with the stacked washer dryer more openly available just off to the right of it here. It's really spacious, a lot of decor options. It still has the consistent cool tone cabinetry here, really spacious under cabinet storage, not to mention those great drawers here. You can fit all of your essentials, and plus there's a good amount of space to add in any extra storage you might prefer. So we'll take a look at the kitchen area next, but before we get there, let's take a look at our community courtyard down here below on the second floor. It's a beautiful sunny day in Portland right now, so hopefully people get out there soon, soak in some of that sun, but there's also some city life just beyond the borders there. AC and heat is standard in all of our homes. There's also a separate heating system in the bedroom. So from here, we're going to open up into our living room kitchen space. This style home has a great U-shaped kitchen, which really opens up the rest of the home to be used for, entertainment, relaxing, dining. We've got the white cabinetry overhead. We think it creates a nice pop of light. Really helps vibe up the place. Everything is bright, happy. Love the overhead storage with the open shelving, but there's also cabinetry as well for the items that you don't want on display. All of our homes feature stainless steel appliances, including fridge, freezer, full-size oven, ceramic cooktop here. Gotta love those big spacious cooking spaces. We really love designing a home that's convenient for all lifestyles. So if you love to cook, we've got a great, beautiful kitchen here with a lot of storage and space. But if you love to go out and experience all of the beautiful eatery that Portland has to offer, it's a great neighborhood. It's very centrally located to a lot of great places nearby. All right, let's take a look at the bedroom. This home is unique in that it offers 2 bedroom closets, both of which are roughly about 3 feet by 5 feet. As you can see, they also have the overhead shelves. So you've got a lot of storage options, a lot of storage space in this home. And we'll take a look at the other here. Love this particular home because, especially during the summer months here, get just a little bit of that overhead sun, so you still get nice direct and indirect lighting. Got the barn style door, creates a lot of privacy. And that is our F-style home. This particular one is on the market right now. It's located on our 6th floor, our top floor. If you're interested in any of our other available homes, check out some of the other links for floor plan videos. Feel free to contact our office or link to the website below if you have any other questions. We hope you choose the Union for your next home, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Happy hunting.